How to change your profile picture on Facebook without posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Facebook profile picture without posting it. So first of all, let's go to your Facebook app. After that, go to your profile. To do that, tap on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. And now tap on your name. Now it will take you to your profile where you'll have to tap on your profile picture and then tap on select profile picture. So select the photo which you want to be your new profile picture, and now once you've selected it, will take you to this page where in order to change your profile picture without posting, all you have to do is simply untick this option right over here where it says share your update to newsfeed. And now once you tap save, your profile picture will be changed, but this won't be posted anywhere on anyone's timeline. So that is basically how you change your Facebook profile picture without posting it. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.